Hi, my name is Mike. I'm a mechanic. I'm here because I've been sent to check some damage on this plane that occurred during landing or taxiing. Luckily, not a bird strike this time. Any damage can take some time and money to repair. And more importantly, it can ground the aircraft for an indefinite period of time. But now with 3D repair, Airbus proposes an effective tool to record damage characteristics and make a rapid evaluation. "3D Repair's design allows us to directly position the damage on 3D models of our aircraft. 3D Repair is fast, instinctive, easy to use. With 3D Repair, it is in fact possible to collate all the data in one place. In a click, 3D Repair gives access to ATA chapters as well as part names. If no standard repair solution is listed, it is easy to call engineering to initiate an Airbus tech request. Thanks to 3D Repair, it is now possible to quickly and efficiently share all the damage data with the aircraft manufacturer or a repair organisation compliant with Part 21, while at the same time avoiding endless exchanges of messages and administrative paperwork. It must be said that before 3D Repair, things weren't all that simple. All the information was not always available in the same place, and a great deal of time was spent on administrative formalities. What's more, it was hard work just finding the right SRM ATA chapter. Now, with 3D Repair, after filling in the category of desired repair, it becomes easy to follow it up and obtain rapid approval for the repair, which will reduce the delay in putting the aircraft back into service. With 3D Repair, you can easily share all the necessary information thanks to detailed and reliable reports generated automatically in ready-to-print format. 3D views of the damage chart with a complete history are also available. Believe me, 3D Repair has even more surprises in store. Need convincing? Just look at the line map, which will help me precisely locate the point of impact. A highly intuitive interface that is really easy to use with a well-thought-out ergonomic design. And above all, a time saving of about half an hour to localize an impact. And that is just priceless. The result of the impact localization is directly exported to 3D Repair. No need to re-enter all the data. So as the plane takes to the skies again, just think of all the benefits 3D Repair could bring you.